welcome back to another beautiful episode in my kitchen. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are. It's an awesome privilege to have you here in my kitchen. Alright, and if you're watching for the very first time, my name is Andrine, and in this kitchen we do vegan. We make it attractive, nice, and tasty, and flavorful. Alright, and so let me apologize for not posting for the last 2 Thursdays. As you know, some persons have been looking for Thursdays upload. I do apologize, and moving forward I will ensure that your posts are uploaded on time. Thank you. Alright, so today, this morning, wherever you are, we are going to do a veggie burger, and some persons call it veggie patty. So tonight we're going to use chickpeas, black bean, and these are cooked already. So I try my best because they're hard beans, so I try to cook them in bulk. So this is chickpeas, garbanzo, and black bean. Here I have some cooked rice, brown rice, and then I blend it. That's all it is. This here I have some blended season, which is onion, garlic, and ginger. And here I have oats, raw oats. I have some shredded carrots. I have here some pepper flakes and some sea salt. Also, I have here some curry powder. Curry powder gives your burger a nice flavor. For me, that is. Alright, and these ingredients are not limited to a burger. So please be creative in your kitchen as per usual. Oh, and this is my homemade presser. So if you have a potato presser, you can use it. This, I think, will do a faster job for me. Alright, so let's get right into it. So now, I'm just going to press my beans. Alright, so see, it moves even faster than a presser. So by pressing the beans, you want to have a nice smooth burger. Alright, so we're beating, and as you see, it's looking more of a very smooth consistency. I do have a food processor. That makes life easier, but of course not everyone has a food processor. So for those who don't have, I'm actually making it easier and more practical, because some persons who using food processor, they're gonna like, I can't do burger because I don't have a food processor. But there you go, by crushing the beans, and this is the black bean and the garbanzo or chickpeas. So you want to have a very smooth crush. You want to make it smooth as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to add my cooked blended brown rice, and this is optional. You really don't have to use it because I have done burgers before and I haven't used it, so you know, you don't have to use it. It's optional. But as I say, the more you try in your kitchen, and just it's your kitchen, be happy. Alright, I'm gonna add my curry powder for just some flavor. Salt. And then this gives really nice flavor, but if you don't have the pepper flakes, you can use your Scotch bonnet just the same. If you have children, then kids who are going to eat these burgers, then spice is a no-no, you know, but it's optional too. It's just that for me, whatever I put it in, it gives it a nice flavor. Then I'm going to add my blended season and my oats. I'm going to leave some. Then I'm going to add my carrots. Oops. And I'm going to continue crushing. And in this case, I can stop using this and use my hands. So you see, you want to ensure that when it's finished, it's fully done, then you'll have a good consistency, a pressable one. So this can actually, I want to combine all the other ingredients more. I don't think it's properly combined. So this should be fine. Just gonna set these aside. I'll just use the rest of the oats since this is good enough. And you can use other ingredients like corn or whatever you have available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll and I'm going to store them like this, so whenever I'm ready to make my burgers, and some I'll just prepare tonight for you to see how it looks. Today, afternoon, wherever you are. Alright, you can do them as big as you want, or as small. Right? Trying to make it as neat as possible. So this is going to be a good burger with your cheese, your melted vegan cheese. Oh! Oh. All right. There you go. And for me, the reason I use, just to let you know, for information's sake, the reason I use the rice is actually, I think because most of the times I just cook it not only for burgers, but I prepare it with a sauce, and sometimes the burger can get a little soft or mushy. Hence my reason for using the rice. I think it will keep it a little firmer than normal. But as I said, it's optional, so you don't have to. You really don't have to. Alright, so now I'm over my pot, so the oil is hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my burger. At first I add it on medium to high heat. Now I turn it to medium to low heat. So I'm just going to let this fry. And according to your desired look or golden, I like it to be golden. So that's what I want. So I'm just going to leave it until I think one side is golden enough, like 1 to 2 minutes or so is good for me. I'm just going to spin this one. Just turn this and see how it looks, but I need some more, so I'm just doing this now, and then I'll do it some more on the other side. So another 1 minute. Alright, so there you have it. The veggie burgers are ready, out and ready, golden and nice, ready for your burger sandwich. Or if you choose, you can freeze them, and then if you want to have a quick meal, you can make a nice sweet and sour sauce and add your burgers to it, or add it to your burgers, whichever you choose. There you go. Remember, Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Have a blessed night, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you.